New car update. The 2025 Lexus LC 500 continues to exemplify the brand's commitment to blending luxury with high performance. This model year introduces subtle yet impactful enhancements that elevate both its aesthetic appeal and driving dynamics. One of the most notable updates for 2025 is the introduction of a new exterior color option, Iridium, replacing the previous atomic silver. This fresh hue adds a modern touch to the LC 500's already striking palette, which includes Ultrasonic Blue Mica 2.0, Copper Crest, Caviar, Cloudburst Gray, Ultra White, Infrared, Flare Yellow, and Nori Green Pearl. These options allow owners to personalize their vehicle's appearance to match their unique style. In terms of structural enhancements, the 2025 LC 500 Coupe benefits from additional front and rear underfloor braces. These reinforcements are designed to increase chassis rigidity, contributing to improved handling and a more connected driving experience. Such modifications underscore Lexus's dedication to refining performance through engineering precision. The interior of the LC 500 remains a testament to Lexus's craftsmanship, featuring high-quality materials and meticulous attention to detail. For 2025, all models come standard with a 12.3-inch high-definition touchscreen display, providing intuitive access to the vehicle's infotainment system. This setup ensures that drivers and passengers can easily navigate various functions, enhancing the overall user experience. Under the hood, the LC 500 continues to house a robust 5.0-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine, delivering 471 horsepower and 398 lb-ft of torque. This powertrain enables the Coupe to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 4.4 seconds, offering exhilarating performance that complements its luxurious design. The engine's harmonious balance of power and refinement remains a key highlight for enthusiasts and casual drivers alike. For those interested in a more eco-conscious option, the LC 500H presents a compelling choice. This hybrid variant combines a 3.5-liter V6 engine with electric motors to produce a total system output of 354 horsepower. The multi-stage hybrid system allows the LC 500H to operate on electric power at speeds up to 87 miles per hour, promoting fuel efficiency without compromising performance. Additionally, the 2025 LC 500H with the Sport package now includes a carbon fiber scuff plate, adding a touch of sporty elegance to its interior. Customization remains a cornerstone of the LC 500 experience. The bespoke build option allows customers to tailor their vehicle with a selection of performance and styling components, including choices for wheels, spoilers, roofs, and interior trims. This program empowers owners to create a vehicle that reflects their personal taste and driving preferences, ensuring a unique ownership experience. Safety and convenience are paramount in the 2025 LC 500, which comes equipped with Lexus Safety System Plus 2.5. This suite of advanced safety features includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, all-speed dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, lane departure alert with steering assist, and road sign assist. These technologies work in unison to provide a safer driving environment, offering peace of mind on every journey. The 2025 Lexus LC 500 and LC 500H are manufactured at the renowned Motomaki plant in Toyota City, Japan, a facility known for its meticulous production standards. Both models are expected to be available for purchase starting in the fall of 2024, with a starting MSRP of $100,425, including the delivery, processing, and handling fee. This pricing positions the LC 500 as a competitive option in the luxury sports coupe segment, offering a blend of performance, style, and advanced technology. In summary, the 2025 Lexus LC 500 continues to build upon its legacy of combining dynamic performance with luxurious appeal.